Hey, it's Steve from Flowmaster. Today I'd like to discuss the difference between a straight-through muffler and Flowmaster's Laminar Flow technology. Let's start with the straight-through mufflers. This style of muffler is constructed using a perforated flow tube wrapped in either steel wool or more commonly with fiberglass to absorb sounds, hence the name glass-pack muffler. These can either have a smooth core flow tube or some may have a little metal fingers pointing inside the flow tube which actually impedes the exhaust flow. One downside of these muffler designs is it cannot control the drone, also known as resonance, inside the vehicle. And over time, the glass packing material will break down with heat, resulting in a shortened lifespan and increased sound levels both inside and outside the vehicle. On the upside, they're cheap to build and will have a lower retail cost than other mufflers. The Flowmaster Super HP2, DBX, Pro Series, and Slimline mufflers all share our exclusive and unique design called the Laminar Flow technology. This directs and accelerates exhaust gases and sounds as it passes through the taper core and expands into the larger core, known as the sound chamber, then exits through the outlet cone. This effectively reduces the sound levels without hurting the performance as a deep, mellow exhaust tone and generally eliminates the popping and back rap that's typical with a glass pack muffler. Another benefit is the cool shell technology, which is a dense, high-temp heat barrier which lowers the exterior case temperature. This is a big advantage when building a fiberglass body hot rods or when the exhaust is near a heat-sensitive location like under the passenger seats. Super HP2 mufflers are only 4 inches tall, 5 inches wide, and are available in 2 different case lengths, either 12 inches long or 18 inches long. They are constructed of 409 stainless steel and will come painted with a high-temp black finish, or there's a 304 stainless steel which can be polished to a high luster if installing them on a show car. Available tubing sizes range from 2 inch, 2 1/4, and 2 1/2. The DBX mufflers are 6 inches round, 14-inch case length, and are constructed of 304 stainless steel with the inlet size starting with 2 inches and going up to 3 inch. Here's our slimline muffler, which are designed to be used as a side pipe application such as the AC Cobra or early Corvettes, T-buckets, or whatever application you want to use them for. The slimline mufflers are also constructed of 304 stainless steel and are available in 2 lengths, 24 and 30 inches. The muffler inlet is a large 3.5-inch tubing. Here we have the Pro Series muffler that works with many different applications, including trucks, diesel pullers, RVs, and all types of racing, whether on the dirt or asphalt. The Pro Series muffler consistently delivers high performance while dramatically reducing sound levels across the RPM range and are perfectly suited to all forms of motorsports. The Pro Series mufflers are available with inlet sizes ranging from 3 inch to 5 inches, 12 to 20 inches long, and with or without turndowns. Like all Flowmaster mufflers, this features a MIG welded construction and are dyno tuned for maximum performance and durability. Flowmaster gives you the choice in better quality, better performance, and more bang for the buck on your street or at the track. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our Flowmaster YouTube channel and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.